Hi everyone, welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to download IPA files on iPhone. So first is you need to go to the App Store. You need to install APK downloader. Just search that and click install. Alright, so once it finishes downloaded, you just have to minimize this one and you need to go to your browser. So you need to search IPA files. Just need to click the first link, which is most probably iOS Ninja. And you just need to click the latest IPA file that you want to download. So let's try WhatsApp. Just exit this advertisement. And you just need to click on download latest IPA. And after you click download, after the files download, you go back to APK downloader. And you just need to click the three horizontal boxes on the top right of your top left of your screen and click on local files, and the latest IPA file that you downloaded should show up and you'll be able to open that IPA file. It is that easy. So thank you so much for watching. Like and subscribe if this worked for you, and goodbye.